Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit your images on your listing on Etsy using the mobile application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website. If you're using your mobile phone, open up the Etsy application and just log in. You're going to see the login option, so if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, now you can get started accessing everything you have in your application. In the browser version, at the upper right corner, you're going to see the shop manager option that is going to enable you to set up your shop or access your shop if you already have one set up. If you're on your mobile application, just at the bottom of the screen, open up the shop manager that is going to enable you to edit your photos. And now we can go ahead, follow the steps right here on how to edit our listing photos. So basically guys, to edit the listing photos on the Etsy seller application, we are going to follow the steps right here. You're going to open up the listing section at the bottom of the screen on your application and select the listing you wish to edit or create a new one. So go to the photo and video option and select the photo or video you wish to edit or add a new one, and after that you're going to click the edit button. Once you have selected edit, you can select transform to crop or rotate, or you can use the adjust button to edit brightness, contrast, saturation, and so on. So you can find all the options for editing your images right there using the Etsy application. Once you're finished guys, you can select the check mark in the top right corner when finished editing, and this is going to enable you to save your changes, and this is how to get started editing your listing photos using the Etsy app. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.